What a time are we living in! MSI is getting deeper and deeper in the thin notebook market, which focuses on productivity and portability. It can be good for a manufacturer to enter a relatively new space, as it introduces you to new difficulties which sometimes actually open your eyes to engineering ideas that you might have never thought of before. Today, here is the MSI Modern 14B11. It has more than enough performance, due to Tiger Lake, which has a caveat, in the way that it needs a proper cooling setup and RAM configuration, in order to truly succeed. Today we are presenting you our top 5 picks about the MSI Modern 14B11 collection, which includes the power plug, an HDMI connector, one Thunderbolt 4 port, and a micro SD card slot, which are all placed on the left side. On the right's enough for you. There are other Tiger Lake CPUs such as the Core i5-1135G7 and the Core i7